Alright, welcome back. Today we're going to make some observation notes on our bird feeder. So turn to page 8, make the title Observe in Notes, and then we're going to have a few questions. Did any birds come? Did the bird I planned for come? How long did I watch for? What time of day did I watch? What was the weather like? And what other things did I see? So just take a look at what I saw and then go ahead and do your own paper. Here's what my setup looked like, and then I just got the clip of the hummingbird that passed by so you guys could see it. Alright, can't wait to see what you do with your notes. Bye!